Hi guys, how you doing here? This is Tony here from Poppa Homes, where we talk about turning credit into wealth by using the power of real estate. Today I'm right here in front of another potential property that I'm got under contract, about to get it closed out maybe here next week. Now what do we have here? We have what we call a sub 2 property, meaning I'm coming in, taking over the property subject to the existing mortgage. And what I'm gonna do with a property like this, which we're gonna go in here in a second, take a look at it. We're gonna run through the house, and I'm gonna go through all the variables and things of this property to give you a better understanding on what we're gonna do with the house. I like to always go into a property thinking about flipping the house at first, meaning coming in, put some money into the house and put it back on the market and sell it. But this one here is gonna be a little different. I'm pretty much acquiring this property and gonna pretty much sit on this property for the next 3, 4, 5 years or so or more. And I'm gonna do a rent to own and pretty much cash the property out within another 60 months from now. Anytime between today and the 60 months, I'm trying to have this property cashed out. So let's take a look at it. Let's go run through it and let's see what we got here. As you can see, this is a beautiful neighborhood, guys. Beautiful neighborhood. I've been out here a few number of times. Haven't really seen too many people out. It's a beautiful neighborhood. Houses are what they are. Very modern houses built 20 years ago. Like I said, just a beautiful neighborhood here. So anyone getting this property is gonna love it. So let's go in here and take a look. So this is what I'm gonna call a slow flip, meaning that we're gonna flip the house, but slowly. Now, I'm not gonna put a dime into the property. We're gonna rent to own it as is and just have the potential tenant buyer clean up. And this garage here looks good. Just need a little sweeping up and cleaning out. You know, the tenant buyer will have an option of maybe painting the walls here if they want to, but overall, as long as they're able to clean up, they're good, okay? This door here, probably can paint this door, clean these floors, some as well. Paint, nothing too crazy. In the kitchen here, it's a basic kitchen. Kitchen cabinets are, I don't know, a little off type, not gray color, but those can be painted as well. Look at the countertops. Countertops are real good and clean. You can do epoxy on those countertops, put some backsplash here as well. Also these countertops here as well. And you can just do more epoxy and backsplash. So as you can see, it's very clean. Now, the walls are yellow. I already done talked to my tenant buyer. Yep, I got a tenant buyer already laid up and ready to purchase this property with a good down payment. So the floors here are okay, just need to be swept and mopped. Again, a lot of painting can be going on in here. Let's go take a look at the outside here for a second. A little bit of cleanup to the outside, a little bit of cleanup out here. Nice vegetation here in the back. So you got a good, small, good usable backyard. You still can entertain guests. You can put a fire pit here. You can do a number of things. Probably trim these trees a little bit, you know, unless you really just like the shade. Got a little building out there. You can do a lot with that. With that little building there, you can pretty much set up a little storage, set up a little playhouse for the kids. You can do a number of things. So that's a pretty good attraction to the property. So let's go inside. Let's go take a look at the living area here. Looks really nice. Just cosmetic. There's a little paint here and there. Very easy to do. Let's go on this side of the house. This side of the house here, we got the entranceway. Floors are nice. Sweep them up, mop, maybe paint. That's what you want to do. The light fixtures still looks pretty good. I would roll with that. Now what we have suggest the tenant buyer, and they're pretty much on board with this, is definitely replace this carpet with a little bit more better carpet. But as you can see, the room here Looks pretty nice. Some child was here. Had the planets here. You see the sun, see Mercury. So for that reason here, I named this house Mars. I like to name all my property. So I named this house Mars, like the planet. So simple house, carpet running into the other bedroom over here. Very basic, just need carpet, paint, buddy. Carpet, paint, that's it. Carpet, paint, that's it. Let's run into the bathroom here. This is a shared hallway bathroom. And we got your kitchen sink. And what we got here? Got a kitchen, here we go. Got a kitchen sink here. Very basic tub, this is an insert tub. So again, if I was flipping this house, I'd probably take this insert tub out, change all the faucets out, change the heat vent out, pretty much do a number of things inside here. But this house is real clean, guys, real clean, ready to go. So let's go to the other side of the house and go to what most people want to know about. It's the primary suite. And the primary suite is right over here. Again, we'll want to take that carpet up, do a little painting in here. That's all it needs, just a little painting in this room here. And let's go into the bathroom. Before we get there, we got the his and her closet. Got the his and her closet. Plenty of room to do what you want to do. Chances are, if there's a couple, then the guy, he would not have any of these closets. He'd have to put his clothes somewhere else, guarantee you. We got carpet running to the bathroom. They're talking about taking that up, and I will. But they like the blue here. They love the blue in the bathroom, so they want to keep the blue. You got a tub over there, and you got a shower behind here. You know what I mean? You got a shower, very clean, basic shower. Again, if I'm flipping this house, I'm taking that shower out. I'm also taking that tub out. I'm making that full walk-in shower there, full walk-in shower. Maybe some with a standing tub. Take these floors up. We'll put towel down. I mean, we'll really do it up. Change these. I would definitely keep those cabinets. Change the countertop out here. Change the countertop here. So there's not two in the houses. They got a his and hers on the bathroom, but they got it separate. I like that. That's nice. I really do like that. So let's head back out here for a moment, and we're gonna talk about this house for a second. So when you're looking at a property like this, there's many ways that you can go about it. But me, I'm not a landlord, never want to be a landlord. I'm all about rent to own. I like to put people into properties where we can rent to own. Get a down payment, get your monthly payment set up, and allow them to rent to own the property anywhere from a year, anywhere from 12 months to 60 months. So they give them anywhere from a year to 60 months to cash out on that property. And what I do, I have these specific people work with our lenders on taking a look at their credit report, taking a look at their job, their present job, and just pretty much doing the things that need to be done within that length of time to get them cashed out on the property. So I just don't put anyone into a house and kind of cross my fingers. We pretty much want to put people into a property where we know they're working hand in hand with our lender, so we can get them to the point where they're trying to get to cash out that property. Now, if you might say, hey, when it comes to the tenant buyer, what if they can't pay, Tonyo? What if they don't get approved? What if they move? If that's the case, we just pretty much rinse and repeat. We pretty much come in and we rinse and repeat, and we do it all over again. Get another down payment and start that clock over again. But regardless of what, I have this house locked up for a lifetime, for the duration of the rest of the mortgage. And for that reason, I can go through this and do this how I want it, when I want to do it, and the fashion I want to do it. As long as we're able to stay around market value for the houses and pretty much do some cosmetic stuff here to keep this house up and moving and going. So just think about it, guys. Acquiring properties like this as a real estate investor is some of the best ways of doing it. But we're gonna go back to the office here and break down the numbers. I want to break down the numbers and show you how I'm looking to structure this deal, how I'm looking to make money from this house, and exactly how at the end of the day, once the house is sold, how much money I have going to have made over the years on this property. And once I break these numbers down, you're gonna realize real estate is just a legal way to become a successful person. But going in, you gotta know your numbers and you gotta know exactly your exit strategy. Once you know these things here, yes, are risks involved. All the everyday risks are involved when you're dealing with properties like this. But I get more nervous over deals I don't do. So I'm here ready to get this property ready for another tenant buyer. So I'm gonna go through this thing. I'm gonna do a little special report, put it all together, walk the house with the potential tenant buyer next week because she's bringing in her down payment. And we're gonna get another happy customer in another happy neighborhood. So guys, don't forget, if you want more videos like that, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the video. Hit that big button, subscribe. I need subscribers. Subscribe to the video. And also, hey, if you got any questions, concerns, put them in the comment section. I do not mind answering you guys' questions because I want to make sure you guys got all the answers to real estate. That's enough properties to go around for people. I'm doing between 20 to 30 houses per year, whether it's flips or sub twos. Sometimes wholesale a few things that if I can't really get done. I'm doing 20, 30 properties per year, and you guys should be doing the same thing. So you got questions, put them here in the box. You wanna do anything else? Work with me on some projects. You wanna partner on some deals? Let me know. Send me a message. Let's go from there. Whatever questions you got, I'll be glad to answer them. But the most important thing as of now, subscribe to the channel. You guys have a blessed day. I'm out.
Hey, if you want to be able to get up to a $10,000 check by using my free manual, show you how to get an assignment fee just by going out there, finding properties and bringing them over to us and allow us to buy them, I will tell you exactly where to go do it. So right here in the description over any video of mine, click on more and click on the link right there. Now you have your own copy of this book. How amazing is that? Get your free copy today.